Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Binance to another wallet. So to do this, first of all, just sign into your Binance. If you don't have Binance account, I'm going to leave the link in the description below where you will get a really big bonus if you sign up through my link. Now, once you will be on your account, click on this profile or just hold it and click on assets. From here, you will see the spot option, click on it. And once you will be on spot, you can go ahead and find Bitcoin. You will see here your assets, how much you have it. And as you can see, there's two options, convert and trade, but none of these fit us. So you need to click the hold on these three dots and click withdraw. After you will click withdraw, the Bitcoin is already selected automatically. Here you need to enter the address where you want to send it. So for example, for today, let's use a Bybit address. And you just want to go ahead and copy it. Once you have copied it, you're gonna enter it right there. And now the Bitcoin network is already chosen automatically. Now you need to go ahead and enter the amount which you want to withdraw and click withdraw, and it will automatically be sent to your wallet, to another wallet. So make sure you have the right network and the right address. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.